Kia ora, principals, teachers, you education rock stars. We at Using Technology Better have some amazing news for you. Maybe you've heard of Canva, or maybe you know just a little bit about Canva. Maybe you've been thinking about turning your whole school into an amazing creativity hub. Well, look no further. We have some amazing free webinars. Yes, I just said free webinars, all about Canva. You can look at the first one, which is all about unleashing your students' creativity through Canva. The second one is all about creating amazing resources through Canva. And then the third one is 10 things you didn't know about Canva. All the information is on this webpage here, and they are happening at the end of January, early February. So what are you waiting for? Grab your team together, grab some snacks, and also grab your devices, because we're all about hands-on learning. We cannot wait to see you there, and we cannot wait to show you the magic of Canva.